Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping kids exercise their right to have fun, learning new things. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Doink.
PBS Kids.
Barney and Friends is next on WNED.
Boom.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
With JJ the Jet Plane, you never know what's going to happen next.
I can't slow down!
It's a good thing he's got lots of friends from Terrytown Airport who are always ready to help him out when he gets into trouble.
Savannah, you saved me!
Join JJ, Tracy, Snuffy, and all their friends at Terrytown Airport and see what happens on JJ the Jet Plane's next big adventure.
Barney and Friends was made possible by
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping kids discover that families and fun go hand in hand. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.